Sound.
Speeding.
Camera.
Rolling.
Quiet on set. Action.
HTVS 2023-2024. Take one.
You've been gone. Ready. Ready.
My name's Spencer Basie, and this is off-road drawing. So the three drawings we're gonna be drawing today are gonna be a Ram, a Land Cruiser. So for each of the drawings, they're gonna have 90 seconds per drawing to draw it while they're on the road. And then at the end of it, we're gonna see who has the best drawing. Here with
Red, 10th grade.
Lily in 11th grade. Maria, 12th grade.
I'm the driver! Hudson, 12th grade!
Okay, so the first drawing is gonna be of a Ram.
Okay, just some little details here.
All right, so this round of drawing is gonna be a very special round. It's gonna be of the very car we're in, Land Cruiser.
Did you know the 200 series Land Cruiser weighs more than a full-weight Suburban? Did you know Salt Lake City is home to the largest private-owned collection of Toyota Land Cruisers? Okay.
Hey, I gotta get a little crazy.
Now we have our professional judge here, Hudson Hoffman, ready to judge the competition.
Yep.
All right, Lillian.
Just mine. And so I was a bit pissed off with that driving.
Yeah, I can really see how the anger like transferred to the paper. All right,
Yeah.
Maria. Why does it look like a pig?
I can't really answer that, Hudson. I was too busy getting thrown around.
All right, next
You
one,
know?
next one. All right, Red, what do you got?
It's
very-
all by myself.
It very much is a Ram.
Right?
I can tell that it is a Ram.
Yeah.
All right, round two was the Land Cruisers. I'm gonna be very nitpicky about this. All right, what are we looking at here, Lillian?
So that's a wheel.
Uh-huh. I see you got the aftermarket tires down. One looking like that, one window looking like that, and the other one being like a Dorito. What do you got here?
Okay, I got this kind of preschool-esque car drawing.
I know! Oh, it's so scary!
They say the only good part about having to go back to school is getting to see your friends again. The often overlooked aspect of seeing your friends again is actually having to talk to them. So, on the first episode of HTVS How To Season 2, we're going to go over some social tips. Tip number 1 is don't go too hard on your fit.
What's up, my G? Still risen up as usual? So, what's the one monkey farm?
Honestly, it's not bad. The monkey farm's kind of mid. I'm more excited about the lizard coming out. The second tip is just don't overthink it.
Okay, you got this. Just go talk to them. It's so easy. Say the words, but what if they don't like me? Maybe they already hate me. Why do I always do this? So simple.
Hey guys, wanna go stop by Chick-fil-A for some food? Sure. Alright, let's go.
Alright, that's literally everything you need to know about interacting with your fellow students. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to ignore literally everyone I know and browse Instagram Reels for 2 days straight.
I was working in the lab late one night when my eyes beheld an eerie sight, for my monster from his slab began to rise, and suddenly, to my surprise, he did the mash. He did the monster mash. The monster mash.
Starbucks, what can I get started for you?
Can I get a pumpkin spiced latte? I think that went swimmingly. Thank you. You too. Number 1, secured. Y'all got a pumpkin spice latte?
We don't have pumpkin spice anymore.
Does your guys' coffee have a drive-thru? Nope. Can I get 1 pumpkin spiced latte? Good one. Number 2 secured.
Yours crew is closed right now.
Crema coffee and soda. We got a coffee carton.
Parallel parking segment. Is this car? Okay, am I the king of pumpkin spice? Here you go, sir. Get a pumpkin spice latte. Sure. Pull this out again. You can't. Pull it out of pocket. Number 3, secured. Guys, so we finally got all the lattes. Here are the contenders, all right? And they're still warm. Here we have the Starbucks. We have the Coffee Garden.
Here we have Sugar House Coffee.
That looks so nasty. Oh! All right. Let's start off with the Starbucks. It's there's not a lot of pumpkin. Let me try it again. I'm just not getting any pumpkin. Now we'll try the Coffee Garden.
What out of 10? We gotta get it out of 10 real quick.
I gave it like 5.5.
Yeah, I'll say 5 out of 10, you know?
Yeah. Pumpkin spice latte for Queen.
Are there 2 ends?
With 2 ends.
Yeah.
That one's like even less pumpkin.
Yeah, this one actually just tastes like coffee. This is actually just coffee.
I think we were pranked. Whoa. What is that?
Yeah, I don't know what this is supposed to taste like.
This Coffee Garden pumpkin spice latte sucks. This Sugar House Coffee pumpkin spice latte,
mid.
Starbucks, still mid, but the least mid. Oh no!
Will you please come out? All right, Ma, I'll be right out.
I was getting closer now. The tension was terrible. What was it? The fate of the planet may hang in the balance.
No, Randy's gotta go. I'll be right out, for crying out loud.
Gee, almost there. My fingers flew. My mind was a steel trap. Every pore vibrated. It was almost clear. Yes, 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 yes.
Be sure. A crummy commercial? Son of a...
And there's no one there to raise them if you did.
Hi, I'm Marilyn. I've been doing the Leap for 3 years, and I am this year's president.
I'm Nick, and I joined the Leap because I've been a fan of it for my whole high school career.
I joined the Leap because I have always been interested in film my entire life, and I wanted to start making films, and that's why I joined. I wanted to make films, and I wanted to learn about the world and what goes on behind the scenes.
This is my first year doing the Leap. I'm excited to get into video editing and just make some segments. I've got a lot of fun ideas.
I joined the Leap because I really love film and I really wanted another creative outlet, and this has just been such an amazing tool for that.
I'm the Leap because I love film and movies, and making videos for people is just...
I think we got a great crew this year, and we're gonna pump out some cool segments, so yeah.
Trying to start a riot. Who in here trying to start a riot? Who in here trying to start it? Who that finger
in the air. Fool, that ain't no flying saucer. I'm shooting webs like worldwide. Manhattan all the way to Yonkers. When they say Brooklyn, stand up. You better just fix your posture. And every hero needs this theme song. So who in here trying to stop that? Bang. Who in here trying to start it? Who in here trying to start it? Rock and roll, so high up, I can see the flow. There he go. It's a play, it's a UFO. From the phone, let me know if you brought that action. It don't matter. Just let me know. No, my way. I'm coming through with my crew to make a play. I don't need no super suit. I'm feeling brave. Don't be a hero. Turn around and walk away. Wait. Who in here trying to start a play? Trying to start a fire. Who in here trying to start?
Got this lock in.
What does it mean to you to lock in?
To lock in hockey?
Yeah.
Well, you just get you get zoned in. You know, the moment comes, the play starts. You gotta be there. You gotta be ready for anything. Put in 100%. Don't give up a single inch to the other player.
To get locked in, I think you definitely just need to be in a good mental state. It's not about the physicality, it's about locking in.
Well, to lock in, it's just that feeling, you know? It's when you just know you need to get something done and there's no clear path to do it, and so you do it.
What advice would you give to other students for locking in their lives?
Oh, this is my favorite. People ask me this all the time. Lock in what means to you. What I might think is locking in might not be locking in for you, and that's what's so great about locking in. You can lock into anything. It's about having that mentality to lock in. There's no reason you can't lock in if you're locked in.
You gotta know what's out there waiting for you. And to lock in, you just need to be in the zone, focus on those things, and you gotta go attack them with every single bit you have in you. It's kind of a feeling, you know? It's an emotion. It's about determination and the will to succeed. It's about what's inside of you.
Day one, baby. I've always been a day one lock-inner. I remember the second I got out of there, I was locked. Even when I was in there, bro, I was locked in, bro. I was getting those nutrients. Lock in.
And if you know anything about Taylor, you would know that today is her birthday. So let's find out what each students know about Taylor Swift. This is Leap on the Move. I am here with
Miss Bertnoli.
Can you name 3 Taylor Swift songs that went #1 on the Billboard chart?
Cruel Summer.
Yes.
Blank Space.
Yes.
And, let's see. Bejeweled?
It did not go #1. I am so sorry. She just embarrassed herself in front of all us. Okay, what's your name?
My name is Bruno.
Can you name me 3 Taylor Swift songs?
Karma.
Okay, Karma.
Shake It Off.
Shake It Off.
Snow on the Beach.
Nice, okay. I'm here with
Lawrence.
Okay, Lawrence and
Julian.
can you name me 3 songs from Taylor Swift's most recent album, Midnights?
I cannot. Gone Your Own Kid? Is that from?
Yes, there we go. Okay, there's one.
Okay. Midnight Rain?
Yes, okay. Okay.
Karma?
Yes. There is 3. I'm here with.
Caroline.
Okay, the line is, I need you to finish this, okay?
Well, I'm really bad at these ones.
Okay, no, you got this. You got this. And did you think I didn't see there were flashing lights?
At least I had the decency to keep my nights outside. Only rumors about my hips and thighs, my whisper sighs. Oh Lord, I think about jumping.
Okay.
Off of very tall somethings.
Just to see it come running.
And say the one thing I've been wanting, but no.
There you have it. There you have it. Is it over? Best song ever. Thank you, guys. Can you tell me the exact length of All Too Well 10-minute version?
10 minutes and 13 seconds.
She got it. She knew it. She knew. She is the biggest Swiftie. Let's go. This is Simone. She is the biggest Swiftie.
Happy birthday, Taylor Swift.
Happy birthday, Taylor.
Happy birthday, Taylor.
Happy birthday, Taylor Swift.
Happy birthday, Taylor Swift.
Happy birthday, Taylor Swift. Happy birthday, Taylor Swift.
Happy birthday, Taylor Swift.
Happy birthday, Taylor Swift. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tees.
We love you, Taylor. Happy birthday. So there you have it. As you can see, we have a variety of Taylor Swift fans at East High School, but we all share one thing in common, our love for Taylor. I'd like to thank my cameraman, Sophia. She is the Jack Antonoff to my Taylor Swift. Couldn't be anything without her. And anyways, fun fact, Mr. Ware did not want me to do this segment, so make sure to show your discontent with his decisions and make fun of him. That is the bell, so I gotta run. Happy birthday, Taylor, and we'll see you next time on Leap on the Move.
From West High's TV West studios, students have several opportunities to work toward the completion of the Broadcasting and Digital Media pathway. In TV Broadcasting 1 and Video Production 1, students are learning the basics of pre-production, camera operation, and editing. With a fully equipped studio and industry-leading post-production resources, students are engaged in industry-relevant skill development from the very first day of class. By their second year, students produce content in the Advanced TV and Video courses that is broadcast every Friday to the entire school community. In this way, our student producers are creating commercially relevant video that includes broadcast journalism, commercials, event highlights, entertainment, and more. Student creativity reaches its height in our IB film courses, where not only do they develop an appreciation and understanding of the film medium, but also produce work that is ultimately scored by the International Baccalaureate toward the completion of the celebrated IB Career Program or Diploma Program. Over the years, our graduates have gone on to careers in production that include everything from film, local news production, and so much more. This is an industry that's constantly evolving, and the students of TV West will be there to meet its demands.